Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sacred Space crate for January 2021. It's too hard to fit into the frame because this box is freaking huge. But let me just kind of pull things out. I hate to do it that way, but unfortunately, because of the size of the box and the size of my workspace, that's how it's going to have to go. The theme is in bulk, which is coming up on the 1st of February. It smells very good. It smells kind of like spicy. So that looks like Bridgette probably. And it says in bulk. Ooh, it's nice kind of thick paper. Here is the lunar calendar for January. I like the imagery. She's awakening under the ground, right? And it has all the information here for the moon cycles. Very good information. And then we have a beautiful coloring page with the Wheel of the Year. I love that. This is very nice. Color it, put it in your book of shadows, copy it off and put it in your book of shadows. Awesome. I love that. So I always put my papers aside and go into the box. So it's yellow and it says thank you, but it's super big so you probably can't see it. Looks like we have, oh, that's what the smell is. Cinnamon incense. Yeah, it smells delicious. We've got some dealy bobs. Okay, moving the dealy bobs. We've got a bracelet in a red organza bag. I mean, I'm not sure what this is. It feels kind of light and maybe plasticky, but I'm not sure. It's pretty. It sparkles and stuff. So let's see what else we got. Ooh, my goodness. Just got dumped on me. Energy Boost Organic Tea. It's got a pretty little orange looking thing. It is organic and fair trade black tea, cinnamon, cloves, orange peel, orange extract, and orange oil. So it sounds yummy. In bulk milk bath. Nice. Let me smell it. Ooh, and it smells like heaven. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Milk baths are good for your skin. So softening. Alright. Angelica root. I collect these little jars. I'm going to hang them up here. In my little filming area, my workspace. What do we got? Blessing my hearth and my home. Ritual oil. Nice. Awesome. My son is screaming for some reason, but I'm guessing because he's 5 and he's excited. I don't know. Let's see. Bridget's Flame candle. Let's open her up. Pretty. Look at that, guys. Isn't that lovely? We've got some spiciness right there. It smells delicious. Looks very beautiful. Love it. Oh, my favorite. Joint relief. Sunflower oil, Solomon seal, root, cayenne, ginger, turmeric, beeswax, and phenohip. So I love these salves. I absolutely love them. That's one of my goals this year, is to learn more about, you know, obviously I love modern medicine. I'm a nurse. But to learn more about complementary therapies. We got a little red organza bag. We've got a stone in it. Let's see what this stone is. It's very pretty. I'm not sure. Maybe strawberry quartz? I don't know. We'll see we'll find out when we read. And then it looks like I got a statue here, or something to that effect. Pull this ginormous box out. This is a big box. Oh. Got little dilly bobs everywhere. So let's see. It says Bridgette on it. So I'm thinking I'm going to get a Bridgette statue. And I'm awkward AF, so it's hard to get this thing out of here. Oh wow. So let's get her in the frame here. It's pretty big. So there's her face, there's her flame. It's got a little bit more red details here on her dress. Her cauldron. Move these things back so I can get it. Wish I had a better setup, but somebody broke my pod. So it says Bridgette. It's got a cauldron, very cool looking, very nice little details. It's got some more colors here with the books, space, and like little bricks. This is the back. She's got pretty curls. Kind of like a medieval dress maybe. Flame, she's in front of a hearth. So basically it's a statue of Bridgette holding a flame in front of a hearth with a cauldron. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna read the insert. It's a very pretty statue. Okay, Imbolc, pronounced Imolc, also known as Olmec, comes from an Irish word that was originally thought to mean in the belly, although many people translate it to ewe's milk. Imbolc is one of the cornerstones of the Celtic calendar. For them, the success of the new farming season was of great importance. As winter stores of food were getting low, Imbolc rituals were performed to harness divine energy that would ensure a steady supply of food until the harvest 6 months later. Like many Celtic festivals, the Imbolc celebration centered around the lighting of fires. Fire was perhaps more important for this festival than others, as it was also the holy day of Bridgette, the goddess of fire, Hearth, home, healing, and fertility. The lighting of fire celebrated the increasing power of the sun over the coming months. For the Christian calendar, this holy day was reformed and renamed Candlemas, when candles were lit to remember the purification of the Virgin Mary. Imbolc is still a special time for pagans. As people who are deeply aware of what is going on in the natural world, we recognize that there is strength in cold as well as heat, death as well as life. Human actions are best when they reflect the actions of nature, so as the world slowly springs back into action, it is time for the small tasks that are neglected through the busy year. Rituals and activities might include the making of candles, planting spring flowers, spring cleaning the home, organizing, and planning. So then it gives some correspondences for Imbolc. It has the Bridgette Hearth and Home statue. Bridgette, goddess of hearth, home, poet, midwife, and blacksmith, tends the cauldron of creativity. She holds the flame of inspiration. Bronze finished statue with hand-painted highlights, measures 9.5 inches tall and 6.5 by 5.25 inches wide. Hematoid, fire quartz. Since Imbolc is a time of planning, this fire quartz will inspire creative and original thinking. It will boost your focus and concentration. It will also help you find simple but effective ways to solve your problems. It's an ideal stone for those who deal with complex subjects and technical matters on a regular basis. It will also enhance your willpower and boost your self-esteem, self-worth, and self-confidence. Very cool. Bridgette's Flame Soy Wax Candle. So, outside, inside, very, very lovely. So, hand-poured and spell-crafted candle is perfect for blessing your home during the Imbolc celebration. Cinnamon scented for protection. Also added as part of the home blessing spell is a cinnamon stick to attract money, employment, physical protection, spiritual protection, and success, prosperity, infinite blessings, and psychic health. Rose quartz to attract peace, love, and harmony. Star anise for purification, cleansing, and protection of the home. Gold mica stone flakes for prosperity. Clean your home before performing the spell, and then it goes through the steps for the spell. Blessing my hearth and my home anointing oil. The anointing oil was spell crafted to use either with your home blessing spell and or to anoint yourself, your family, and your home. Scented with my personal prosperity fragrance blend with cinnamon added for protection. So it has a cinnamon stick, was added for attraction of money, employment, physical protection, spiritual protection, and it attracts success, prosperity, infinite blessing, psychic health, and protection from negative energies. A garnet stone chip was added for its manifestation powers, good luck, and protection. And a sunstone chip was added for calling in the healing power of the sun, and so you can refocus on pursuing the passions and drives that light the fire of your soul. In bulk milk bath. So here's the container and the actual milk bath, and it smells so good. It smells so good. Oops, sorry. In bulk is the time for cleaning, purifying, rebirth. Taking a milk bath symbolizes release and rebirth, starting something new. A ritual bath is not for cleaning your skin. Rather, it cleans negativity and the cares of the day from your spirit. First, take a shower to get the dirt off, then run your bath. Add the milk bath and stir clockwise to mix into the water with your hand. This is a good time to set your intention. Stir in your ritual bath and feel all your cares, worries, and negativity going into the water. When you're ready to end your bathing ritual, immerse yourself fully, including your head, into the milk bath. As you emerge from the water, you are reborn into your world, goals, and ideas. Now pull the plug and let the water drain while you stay in the water. As the water slowly drains, you will feel all the negative things which were troubling you go down with the water. It has sea salt, Epsom salt, milk, lavender, rose petals, rosemary, peppermint, red clover, and jasmine, along with lavender essential oil. Amber bracelet. Amber is a fossilized resin of tree that grew approximately 45 to 50 million years ago. Trees carry wisdom, so you can just imagine the wisdom this stone holds. Balances emotions, attracts good luck, eliminates fears, relieves headache, clears the mind, dissolves negative energy, helps develop patience and wisdoms. Angelica root, very special herb to use with your in bulk rituals as it offers protection, blessings, and removes curses. Sprinkle in the four corners of your house to ward off evil, or sprinkle around the perimeter of your house. If you add Angelica to your bath, it removes curses, hexes, and any spells that may have been cast against you. And then she has a list of like a lot of correspondences, so very cool. Energy boost tea. Warm and soothing organic Ceylon tea blend with just the right ingredients to give you that extra energy to get things spring clean for the in-bulk Sabbath. Also a marvelous way to savor the serenity of an evening's peace is the brew of a cup of fine tea. Sit back and relax. Very robust and fragrant tea blend includes orange peel, cinnamon chips, and cloves. And it gives you instructions on how to brew. Joint relief salve. This is my most popular muscle and joint salve. I originally created it for my mother who was suffering from chronic arthritis pain in her knee. She began sharing it with anyone who she met with joint pain, and now it's my most requested product. Just rub a generous amount on your joints or so muscles at least 3 times a day for several days until the pain subsides, and then use once a day. It does have cayenne, so please be sure to test a small area. Cinnamon incense sticks. Oops. If you ever search for incense that actually smells like cinnamon, then you understand why I'm so excited about these cinnamon incense sticks. They are not only made from the highest quality of ingredients and fragrance, but they actually smell like cinnamon. Cinnamon is a herb not only for in bulk, but for the hearth and home. Cinnamon offers protections and blessings, so I could not think of a better and more magical incense to bring in your home this season. Wheel of the Year coloring page. Really pretty. It's got information there on the bottom. Very nice. This is a season of planning and contemplating, and there aren't many better rituals than art magic to get your mind focused and let your artistic energies flow. Before coloring your page, set your intentions by asking a question. By the time you finish coloring the page, you will know your answer. It's quiet time when you can block everything out except for your own thoughts. Call upon your higher self or guide in this exercise and trust the inner wisdom that comes to light. Here's something fun. I am working on a very unique new box subscription that will premiere sometime this year, Sacred Flame. If you would like to be sent a sample box review and give me feedback on them, post your colored Wheel of the Year page on my Instagram or Facebook and tag at Sacred Space Crate and at Smoogie, and 3 lucky winners will receive a box review. Winner will be chosen on February 2nd at the close of In Bulk. Fun. In Bulk artwork. This beautiful In Bulk artwork was hand-drawn and designed by Samantha Trick, aka Schmoozy, on Instagram and Facebook. This artwork will be part of the Sabbath series this year. Moon in the Zodiac calendar. I loved curating this box for you. Bridgette has always been empowering for myself. I love being the goddess of my hearth and my home, and working with her this month had me spring cleaning and organizing my entire house. I've never gotten this done this early before In Bulk. It's a great way to start off my new year. I hope that you find strength and magic in this box this month. I would love to hear any feedback you have. Next month's theme is prophetic dreaming. Oh my God, perfect for me. Dream work and dream interpretation has always been a specialty of mine, so I'm very excited to pass that knowledge and wisdom on to you. Happy New Year. May 2021 bring you a lot of magic, happiness, prosperity, self-love, and blessings. Love to you, Melissa. I love it. Amazing box. Yay, love it. I am very excited about this new box that's coming up. I don't care if I win or not. I probably will still subscribe. So, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I miss you guys. And I hope that we can connect soon. Bye.